Go carpet cleaning in Avondale Estates, Georgia. Testimonials. Go Carpet Cleaning has actually been cleaning up carpets in homes throughout Avondale Estates, bringing years of experience to every job and a consistent commitment to customer service. Find out why our clients contact us. Khadija says,
I needed a cleaning job on my carpet. When I called Go Cleaning Carpet Company, then made a convenient appointment with me, gave an awesome price that I could afford. He worked hard and did a fantastic job. My 12-year-old carpet looked brand new. Thank you.
See what Jonty says.
Now, Ben is the consummate professional. He arrived on time and fully explained the entire process. He is honest, reliable, and candid. I highly recommend his business.
Diarra wrote the following.
Great carpet cleaning for my move out.
Whether you require commercial or residential carpet cleaning services, our group has got your back. Additional services: cleaning high traffic areas, upholstery cleaning, duct cleaning, rug cleaning, pet stains and odors cleaning. Commercial services. We use a black light to see any pet stains, even those that might not be visible to the naked eye, and then we utilize our devices to gently agitate the carpet fibers. Contact us for a free consultation and to discuss our affordable prices on carpet cleaning in Avondale Estates or the surrounding areas. Visit us at gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.